What is an electrical storm? An electrical storm is more commonly known as a lightning storm or a thunderstorm, but it may not have thunder. It may include wind, hail, rain, or snow.
How it's formed. Lightning is created by an imbalance between the clouds and the ground or within the cloud itself. Rising ice crystals and falling hail creates friction that frees electrons, which produces positive and negative charges. Positive charges rise while negative charges fall. The imbalance between the charges is corrected by passing an electrical current through the two, or lightning. A lightning storm is similar to rubbing a balloon on your clothes and sticking it to your hair, only on a much larger scale. How it's dangerous. In an electrical storm, heavy winds, rain, snow, or hail can cause damage to property. Lightning can also strike people. But most often, lightning causes fires. How to prepare. To prepare for an electrical storm, clear large dead trees or branches from surrounding residents to prevent limb or tree damage. Also have an emergency kit together and store it in a convenient location. Your emergency kit should include batteries, a flashlight, a radio, basic first aid products, and water. What to look for. Dark skies and strong winds are a good indication of an approaching storm. What to do. If a storm is coming, take cover and ensure that all pets and livestock are in a secure area. Do not use water or electronics such as a computer, phone, or TV. If you are outside, take shelter in a building or a vehicle. If there is no shelter, avoid trees and tall objects. Squat down with your hands over your ears. If you are swimming, get out of the water immediately and take cover.
Oh my God.
Though electrical storms can be a breathtaking sight, they can be extremely dangerous and happen at any time. Be prepared and know what to do in the case of one.